I'm Amna and I am going to tell you what is affiliate marketing and how can you earn the passive income. Affiliate marketing is a type of a performance-based marketing strategy where a business rewards one or more affiliates for each visitor or a customer brought by the affiliate's own marketing efforts. Here is a simplified explanation of how it works and how it can be a source of passive income. Affiliate partnership. You partner with a company or a program to promote their products or services. This is usually done by signing up for their affiliate programs. Promotion. You promote these products and services through various channels like a blog, social media, YouTube videos, or email newsletters. You use special tracking links, which is called the affiliate links, given by the affiliate program to track your sales. Earn commissions. When someone clicks on your affiliate links and make a purchase or takes a specific action like signing up for a service, you earn a commission. The amount can be a percentage of the sale or a fixed amount. Passive income. Once your promotional content is created and published, it can continue to direct traffic and generate the sales over time without the additional work. This is why affiliate marketing is often seen as a source of passive income. However, some maintenance is required to update the content and ensure links are working. To successfully earn passive income through the affiliate marketing, consider the following steps. Choose the right niche. Select the niche that you are passionate about and that has profitable affiliate programs. Build an audience. Create valuable content to build a loyal audience. This could be through blogging, video content, or social media presence. Trust and transparency. Establish the trust with your audience by being transparent about your affiliate relationships. SEO and content marketing. Use SEO to drive the organic traffic to your content and employ content marketing strategies to engage the readers. Track and optimize. Monitor the performance of your affiliate campaigns and optimize them for better results. Compliance. Stay compliant with the legal requirements by disclosing the affiliate relationships to your audience as required by the law. It's important to note that while affiliate marketing can provide a source of passive income, it often requires a significant upfront investment of time and effort to create the content and attract an audience. It may take time, some of the time, before you start seeing substantial results. Thank you very much for listening to us. We'll be coming tomorrow with another video.